So hi, I'm Dr. Cecilia Maramba-Lazarte, a professor from the Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology and the director of the Institute of Herbal Medicine from the University of the Philippines, Manila.
Hello, Dr. I am Angel Ani Micaela as Bolacito. I am a student researcher of the Ateneo de Manila University, and I am a grantee of the Undergraduate Thesis Grant in Natural Products of DOST-PCHRD. So today we'll be asking you questions as a scientist. So what is your main motivation po? Like, to whom are you dedicating your current research, your current works?
Well, it's really for the Filipino people, no? So the work that we do is to develop quality, efficacious, and safe herbal medicine, but we want it to be at a low cost. We want people to be self-sufficient, no? To have it grown in our own backyards. Also for the farmers, so that they would have cash crops to grow it.
So, what are your top 2 or even top 3 main struggles as a scientist?
One is really funding. No? Drug development is a very long, tedious process, and at the very end, you do clinical trials. It's very expensive. A second struggle is really the very tedious process itself. Getting approvals, getting ethics review, technical review, and on top of that, you need a regulatory review.
So can you share with us your proudest moment as a scientist?
Okay, for now, I have a feeling this will not be my last proudest moment. But for now, the proudest moment was probably people applying or able to use the knowledge that you learned. So we did the clinical trial of Lagundi for COVID during the pandemic, and we were able to show that the symptoms of COVID were reduced, using the Lagundi, and they felt better more than the placebo. And DOST supported us in this, and they also made it known to the public. So this was used very much for COVID-19, and hearing people, guminhawa ako talaga nung naglagundi ako, or wala akong ibang ininom kung hindi yung lagundi pero gumaling ako. Just hearing those moments na nakatulong ka dahil sa research mo, that's a proud moment.
What are your top 3 guiding principles when it comes to conducting research po?
You have to perform research with integrity, be ethical, and be honest. No? Because without that, how will you be credible? And how will your work be helpful?
So during our undergraduate years po, Doc, we did our thesis on natural products. We partnered with the DOST-PCHRD. We were granted under the undergraduate thesis and grant in natural products. So we tested a lot of plants within our campus and their antibacterial activity. Also, what is your advice to current student researchers?
One, it cannot be forced. It's something you like. You can like a little and then be forced to do the requirements, but to do it as a lifelong work, you have to be really passionate about it. You really have to be passionate about the knowledge that you want to discover. I mean, a topic area that you are passionate about, and you need to be persevering, because it's not easy. And you need to be patient. Passion, perseverance, and patience.
3 P's.
3 P's.
Thank you, Doc. As a student researcher, and in behalf of my fellow student researchers, we thank you for sharing your time and experience as a scientist.
Thank you too for sharing your story and how you were able to do your research.
Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.